Back in 2018, my wife and I bought our Keystone Cougar, 35-foot fifth wheel, very nice rig. Spent a lot of time getting it the way I wanted it before I traded it in last year. The rig had spent a lot of time out in the summer weather, and come the fall of 2023, this is what the roof looked like. It needed some work. I did some patchwork just so it would make it out on the last trip of the year, but more had to be done. And so we enlisted the help of a company called RV Armor. You can see some ripples in the roof there. Here's a shot that's zoomed in. We were afraid that there was some roof damage up underneath those ripples, and so we needed an expert to come out. Now here's the great part about RV Armor is they will send a mobile technician to come out to your house. Now they start out by cleaning the roof, then also cleaning off any extra and excess sealant that you may have applied over the years. Now they will also inspect your roof to ensure that you don't have any water damage, all in preparation to apply a primer coat. You can tell they took off that rippled section of the membrane just to inspect the wood up underneath. Following the application of the primer coat, they will lay down caulking and fabric material, as you can see here, and then apply their middle coat, which they refer to as the gray coat. They let this set for a period of time, and then they apply the final coating, which seals the roof and leaves behind a rubbery membrane. Total installation time was about 2 days. This roof also has a lifetime warranty. Here's the roof after completion. Sadly, we traded in this rig shortly after completing this roof, but I will absolutely in the future have this coating applied to the Grand Design Solitude. As always, thank you for joining us here at Preston Thunder. Like and subscribe, ask any questions you have down below, and we'll see you on the next one.